Welcome to United by Trucks. This is a super down and dirty, don't even know if it's going to be a video kind of video, but if this works out, I think that you guys might appreciate what I'm up to and trying to bring some extra cool content this year. And yeah, let's go see how this Tilta Hydra Alien does on my 3/4 ton truck, filming my son's 2000 NBS Chevrolet Silverado. So I'll show you all about the setup, but first let's jump to well, getting all set up and getting some driving footage. So here we go. Trying the new Fat Gecko Belkin for in-car footage. Got that tied to the windshield to the Nikon Z6, little mic here. Obviously got it upside down. And then in the back, we got the new Tilta Hydra Alien DJI RS3, and it's connected to my Nikon Z6. So we're going to get some rollers of my son's truck, so we'll see how this shakes out. We're using this Raven Eye image transmission from the DJI to my phone. So right now you can see that I'm just using the joystick and I'm just getting him rolling behind us right there. Yeah, we're not getting the side-to-side wobble like we were. That's impressive. Look at that. Look how cool that looks.
Mm-hmm. Can I see?
Yeah, look how cool that looks.
Whoa.
So this is what we're looking at right now. He's just pulled up behind us in his little OBS, or excuse me, in his little NBS. See what this looks like as we turn. See, this is what it's looking like right there. That's pretty cool, bud. We're getting them rollers, baby. That's it. Yeah, come on. It looks great, Jack. Good job, bud. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, we're getting some sweet footage. Whatever I did to adjust this thing is definitely working. Maybe like, even look at that. Like just dual cars riding right there.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
That's what we're getting right now. Man, that is so steady. That's so steady. So I took this out this morning and I did not get this kind of steadiness. So I've kind of remounted the rig, gone back through it all. This is actually not underslung. The camera's not underslung on the gimbal. It's actually right side up. I don't know if that's making a difference, but whatever's happening, it's working. What's cool is not only can I move the camera, but I can change the settings around, I can add LUTs, I can do all sorts of stuff to manipulate the camera itself. So we're gonna make one more run down this road and then turn around and go back home, but I think that I'm gonna be real happy with this, especially after it was so cool. So cool. Millie, what you think, baby?
I think you'll find that the weather is nice.
So I think using maybe even a lower vehicle with better suspension. I mean, this truck's got great suspension, but it's still a little bumpy, being a 3/4 ton. That may help too, but I am so impressed so far with how this is working. We got an excellent driver over here. Sarah's been killing it. Millie's offering all the support in the back. And here we are. And there comes Bub just rolling into the screen. Look at that, man, Mill.
Bravo, bravo.
I just love being able to manipulate this with the joystick inside. There'd be no way to even like know what kind of shots you're getting if you don't do this.
Yeah.
You know, you wouldn't be able to see. And just being able to joystick it, that's my fave. When we get home, I'll give you a full rundown of everything I used for this car rig, and I'm going to be building it out probably even a little bit more than it is, just to make sure it's unbelievably stable. But yeah, especially for the side of this big old truck, this is already working out. Really excited.
Yeah, that is cool.
It's so cool. Big thanks to the driver.
Oh.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah.
Nailed it. But I cannot wait for you to see this footage. Oh man. Also noticed Jackson got a haircut.
Yep, it's gone.
All right, we're gonna tell him about what all we got going here on this rig in just a second. I'm gonna hand Jackson the camera. We also was using the GoPro on that little small rig mount. And that worked out super nice. Small rig with a magic arm for the GoPro. Okay, so I was showing you all this on my cell phone, I believe, but this is the Fat Gecko. It's by Delkin. A lot of people rave on this thing. A lot of people actually use this on the outside of the car, but I think I'm gonna use it on the inside of the windshield. Hopefully that footage turned out okay. I'm gonna try not to use any post-stabilization. I'll let you know if I used any in this video, but we'll see how that stabilizes out and looks. This is the Tilta Hydra Alien car rig. Like I said, it's got two other mounts that come with it. We just got this mounted this way for the side of the car. You mount it on the hood, you can mount it on the tailgate, you can mount it on the back. Obviously not on a porous surface, but smooth surface. Connected by these suction cups. It's got two smaller ones up top, a larger one down on the bottom. Super nicely made. All these little fittings are really, really nice. You got their flex arm that has a spring and a shock absorber that kind of helps you set the dampening on this thing. Also had to invest in some external batteries, so I went with the small rig VB50s. I got them on both sides. D-tap cord into the Tilta RS3 power plate. So this is a DJI RS3, not RS3 Pro, but the RS3, the smaller one. Gimbal. When you buy the Hydra Alien, it comes with the base plate, the power base plate for the external V-mount batteries. And I ended up upgrading to the softer spring shock isolator, vibration isolator, for the gimbal that mounts to the head here, and it just runs down to my Nikon Z6. And then of course I'm using the Raven Eye image transmitter so I can run everything off my phone. Ran this morning. The results were pretty good, but I had some significant side wobbles. So what I did was I came home and actually spent some time messing with the dampening, the tension on the spring, and I think I got it to a pretty good place where the footage is not super shaky. But I'm really happy with this thing. I think it's pretty cool. I'm trying to up my car game footage in car and out of car. So we're gonna be getting some cool rollers of trucks. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's a little bit behind the scenes, but once we started getting this footage, thought it might be worth sharing with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.